Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we have a customer that was complaining about his window in the trunk, was getting lag. We want to show you how to fix this problem in your Jeep Liberty 2002 Sport. Go show them inside.
Okay, so the problem here is when the customer tries to close this window, this latch doesn't go all the way in, and the lock doesn't grab that. So to fix this problem, we're going to show you what you have to do. Alright, you want to tell them what to do to fix this issue?
Okay, first thing we want to do, we want to remove the 13 millimeters right here,
The two 13mm bolts.
and right here, and we want to push the hatch a little bit up, and that's supposed to adjust the trunk and fix the and correct the problem. Okay, we want to use a 13 millimeter. We want to release this, just loosen a little bit so we can move it up, and here too. Right? You see, when you release the two 13 millimeters, you can adjust this, move it around. So what we want to do, we want to move it a little bit forward and just lock it right there. We lock that one there. Now we want to lock the other one. Okay, this is the 113. The other 13 is right here on the side. Don't forget that. After you tighten that one, you adjust it. It's supposed to lock perfect now.
There you go. It clicks right in. And to get to this hinge, you do have to remove the cover. This gray cover that goes here, clips in. See these white clips down here? And that's where the clips are. So you can probably find instructions online.